Alright, how's it going, guys? We're actually on the way to a hike that we're going on today at a place called Chamberlain Creek. There's a nice waterfall shortly after the beginning of the hike, and we're going to see after this little bit of rain we've been having, not much, but something, if the waterfall is going to be, you know, spectacular enough to...
We hope so.
Yeah.
We hope so. I think it's going to have more than the last time we went anyway. So it's going to be nice no matter what. It'll be really cool if there's a good flow, which there could be. We'll see.
Yeah. All right. So this is the start of the trail here, which goes down a staircase for a bit. And this is Chamberlain Creek. Yeah. Look at that. So now coming to the grove that is just very shortly after the waterfall. Also a very nice area. Show you guys around here a little bit. The nice thing about being over here, this part of California, is these really nice redwood forests. And this, wow. Okay, so every now and again, we come here and we see sort of a little bit of a hut here, and sometimes it gets taken away from and sometimes added upon. But you guys are seeing here, this is as much as it's ever been developed. I mean, wow. Let's take a look inside. Oh. I stumbled on a wet, slippery root right there, but because of this awesome device, you guys won't even know it. There's the grove way down there.
Yeah, this trail kind of takes us up above the waterfall.
Mm-hmm. Waterfall is now straight down here, considerably higher above it. This little stream here, guys, is actually what's feeding the waterfall. This is the big arc in the trail where we go back sort of the direction we came, and we'll end up further up the road.
You figure there must be like another one that comes into it, because this is just so minimal. It would hardly be dribbling over where it was.
Yeah. Not much, that's for sure. Prepared for this nutritionally?
Yeah. I ate my vegan power breakfast this morning again.
I was just going to ask, what did we have for breakfast to be a good trail topic?
Yeah. And my steel cut out with cashews and raisins and cranberries and hemp hearts and chia seed.
All good stuff. You did a video on that, right? You did do a video on that?
Yeah, I did. I got one.
Well, to see basically what that is, we'll put that in the description, link to that one. I had my drink and some hot chocolate and a little bit of quinoa. And my mom was making some stew, so I tried a little of that. But for my drink, that's in my What I Eat in a Day video. So to know what that is, you check that out too. And yeah, that's how we nutritionally prepared for this grueling hike. Now we are on the last leg of this little trail. The road is just right there. Actually onto the road. A few vehicles up here. They look like maybe state vehicles. I don't see the thing though. I'm not sure. They're all the same truck though. So this is the same road we drove up to get here. We're a little ways up now. We were kidding about the other fall. This is actually the real waterfall. Very cute little one nonetheless.
Yeah, but Anthony and I have several other music projects in the works also. We're going to do, Anthony's got a really cool new instrument called a guchang.
Yes.
Chinese instrument. It looks like a full 88 size keyboard.
And that's still a travel size, so it's called. So it's not nearly full size, but it still sounds just as good. And
he's going to play as his debut on that, the
Zelda's Lullaby?
Zelda's Lullaby.
It'll have to be in a different key, but nonetheless, it'll be a very recognizable piece.
Yeah, and then we're also doing Kakariko Village. That one's going to be coming out.
Twilight Princess version.
Yeah, so...
So yeah, we'll be linking that stuff in the description. And